Suppose we have matrices M1 to Mn, all having the same size, and scalars or numbers from C1 to Cn. Then if we multiply each constant by the corresponding matrix and sum the results together, then this here is called a linear combination of these matrices with the following coefficients. So if you consider a product of this matrix of coefficients, which we'll call A, by this vector, then remembering our matrix multiplication, so we have each row of the matrix by the vector, gives the corresponding row in our resulting matrix. So C11 by x1, C12 by x2, and so on gives the first row. So as we can see, we can express this as a linear combination of the scalar x1 multiplied by the first column in the matrix plus x2, and that's multiplied by the second column in the matrix. And so on, up to xq, multiplied by the final column, which has entries C1q, C2q, and so on, down to CPQ.